Hey, what's up? No mod, no life. If you've been following me from previous activities, you know we have revamped the whole suspension setup on the Z, which is traction arms, camber arms, tow arms, and coilovers. So the thing is, right over here, we're still using OEM bolts. These happen in a way for adjustment, so you can adjust your camber, your toe, and yada yada. But we run adjustable arms themselves, so for that we're replacing these here for eccentric arm lockout kits. Hold on. That's how they look like. Alright, so you swap with these guys. What happens is that under load and stress, especially sideways movement, these guys tend to mess up with their alignment. So these ones are solid, they're pretty round with a hole in the middle, in the center, while these are offset for spinning. Losing your alignment and your geometry is not something you really want. That's why we are swapping these for that. That's what we're doing. Let's go. So the size for this is 19 for the bolt, but the nut is 17, so bear in mind that. And the new ones are 18, both of them, bolt and nut, so keep in mind that as well. Slap this in, a little wiggle. Remember, these need to be really centered, so all you gotta do is push, push your arm a little bit, and boom. Right? Pretty flat. Well, now it will already be lined up, but the theory is the same. Alright, pretty flat and centered. Slap this in, change to 18, lock it up, and that's it. Other side now, same thing, 19 and 17. Just position it to hold, and got the new ones. They are all the same, so you shouldn't worry about. Pretty centered, as you can see. Same as for the other side. Make sure it's good. 18. Clockwise. Party time. Double check tightness. Now this is a little bit tight because you cannot ooga-dooga from here, and not even from here, because the washer is attached to the bolt itself, as you saw from the ones I removed. So it means that this won't spin. Work your way around it. It's a 17 now. You just gotta do your thing. New ones coming through. Remember now, you can ugadug it because it's pretty well centered. So lock it up and magic. Hand tie check. Good enough. Same stuff. 17. Boom. Game time. Slap it in. Well centered. Same for the other side. And nut. Double check it is well centered. 18 now, as I said, do your magic. Good. Not going anywhere. This is now trash. Okay, now all of them done. Here, there, here, and also there. We're just gonna do some visual markings so we will know if they're getting loose. Like this, and you're good to go.
Follow No Mod No Life on Instagram. If not, your suspension arms will fall off.